Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So get started. First, open your Facebook apps. Tap on three-line menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Now tap on account center. Scroll down. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. Now tap on your account. Then select delete account and tap on continue. Scroll down, then tap on continue. Now select any option. My account is hacked. Select, then continue. Then again continue. Scroll down, then tap on continue button. Now enter your account password here and click continue. If you like the video already delete on your account, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.